If you're choosing between Scotty Cameron and Bettinardi, this isn't just putter versus putter. It's prestige versus pure craftsmanship. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Scotty Cameron is the most iconic name in putters. It's trusted by top pros and known for premium materials, classic designs, and exceptional feel. Many golfers buy it for confidence and consistency, but also for the brand prestige. But here's the catch. You're paying for the name. Some golfers feel the performance difference doesn't always justify the higher price. Bettinardi takes a more engineering-focused approach. Their putters are milled in-house with extreme precision and often deliver a slightly firmer, more responsive feel. They're also used on tour. For example, pros have won events using Bettinardi putters. The downside is brand recognition. It doesn't have the same prestige or resale value as Scotty Cameron. From real user feedback, Scotty Cameron's are like Rolex, great, but you're paying for name. Bettinardi feels just as good, sometimes even better for price. So which one is better? Choose Scotty Cameron if you want the most trusted brand, classic feel, and tour-proven confidence. Choose Bettinardi if you care about pure performance, precision milling, and better value for money. Bottom line, Scotty Cameron wins on reputation and feel, while Bettinardi competes, and sometimes wins on performance and value. For most golfers, the difference isn't huge. The better putter is the one that fits your stroke. But if you remove branding, Bettinardi is just as good, if not better in some cases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.